Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Anya Shah and I'm in the 11th grade. My topic for today is body image and self-esteem, navigating societal expectations in the digital age. In this new digital age, social media can be a double-edged sword. Even though social media has the power to influence as well as connect various people across the world, it can also act as a pathway to distort our perception of reality. We all use some kind of social media, don't we? And I'm pretty sure once in our lifetime, we have compared ourselves to someone we saw on the internet. However, we must ask ourselves, is that all there is to us? This comparison has a profound impact on us even without knowing. These set ideals are absurd and often lead us into self-doubt. But is this truly who we are? In a setting where filters and edits are topmost priority, we must try and give the highest importance to removing digitally altered perceptions and numerously unrealistic beauty standards. Now, I know you'll say that it's better said than done, but here's the truth. Most of the time, these so-called lavish lives and flawless models that we compare ourselves to aren't even real. So to class with something that isn't even real is truly unreasonable. Our worth extends far beyond appearance, and true beauty comes from within. It is time that we start to redefine beauty on our own terms, define perfection and imperfections. For actually navigating this digital landscape while also preserving our self-esteem, we should start by accepting the fact that social media does have harmful effects on us. And instead of following accounts that trigger harmful feelings, we should start following accounts that advocate beauty inclusivity. Furthermore, personal wellness also becomes a huge factor when talking about this. Putting yourself first and setting boundaries away from social media to take breaks and disconnect ourselves for a while becomes a primary necessity. Lastly, fostering an accepting environment both on and off the grid becomes essential. I would like to end by saying that much like a coin, social media presents dual facets, each bearing its significance and impact. Choose wisely. Thank you.